Today, I'm going to run Mini Windows XP from Hiren's BootCD. I usually use this live boot environment to back up important files and manage hard disk partitions when the operating system is corrupted or fails to boot. It's also useful for many other tasks, such as resetting Windows login passwords, recovering data, and troubleshooting various system issues. I'm using Hiren's BootCD 15.2 because it's lightweight and works especially well with older computers, even though it's outdated. There are newer versions of Hiren's BootCD available that support newer systems.
Download Hiren's BootCD 15.2 and create a bootable USB drive using your preferred bootable USB creation software. Then, connect the USB drive to the computer and enter the BIOS setup. In the BIOS, set the SATA mode to ATA, change Secure Boot Control to Disabled, and set the boot mode to Legacy. After making these changes, save the settings and restart the computer. As the system starts, press the boot menu key and select the bootable USB drive that you created earlier. From this menu, select Mini Windows XP and press Enter. The live environment will begin loading the required files and then take you to the Windows desktop. Once you're on the desktop, right-click My Computer and select Disk Management. From here, you can view and manage the available disks, create or modify partitions, and copy or backup important files when needed. For more utilities, open the HBCD menu and explore the available tools. I recommend learning what each program does before using it. Many of these utilities can modify disks, partitions, or system settings, so experimenting without proper knowledge may result in the loss of important data.
I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.